Well, hello, and welcome to Do It Yourself Tech Academy, where I teach non-techies how to do tech stuff. Very, very simple tech stuff, that is. And today I'm going to show you how to duplicate rows, like 1,000 rows, in like a second. So you don't have to go and typing all these duplicate rows that are just, my friends do that sometimes and I almost pull out my hair or turn gray, see? Anyway, okay, I'm going to show you. So let me flip my screen here. Okay, so here I made just a list of 1,000 quote people. So if you page down, you'll see I just try to make them unique in their own way. So I went down to 1,000. Okay, now let's just say you want to categorize these 1,000 people for some reason. Let's say you just want to call them, I don't know, homeowners. So what we're going to do here is we're going to move over to this cell here on the last name, and you're going to do, this is done on a PC, not a Mac, but so I'll probably put Mac instructions in here too. But anyway, so you do Control down arrow, which will bring you to the bottom of the list. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to move down one cell to after the last entry and move over one list. Okay, and here you're going to put anything. I was doing this before, so you'll see ZZZ in the left column there. But I'll put ZZZ again here, just so there's something in the cell. All right, and I'll do Control up arrow, which goes to the first cell, the first non-blank cell, which had brought me up to this column again, right here, right? So, okay, let's say we want to duplicate homeowners all the way down for 1,000 people. So what we're going to do is we're going to do Shift, right? So you're highlighted on this homeowners here. You're on the homeowner cell, right? You do Shift, Control, down arrow, which will now highlight this entire range because it hit the first non-blank cell. And then you're going to do Shift up arrow. So you move one arrow up because you don't want to include that ZZZ in the duplication, all right? And then from here, it's simply Control D as in duplicate. So do your Control D, do Control D, and there you go. Now you have for 1,000 people, you have the word homeowners in 1,000 of your people, and you did that in, I don't know, how long did it take me? I don't know, a minute or two. So there you go. So that's how you duplicate rows coming down. All right, great. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, fantastic. Let me know that it saved you a lot of time, because that's what I'm into, saving people a lot of time, because entrepreneurs for small businesses and freelancers definitely spend a lot of time on some unnecessary tasks that should not take a long time. Anyway, and if you have anything in Excel or anything that matter that you think is a tedious task, I can find a solution. So let me know in the comments below what you need help on, and I'll see if I can address it. Okay? Great.